everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Chanel unboxing. I know, I'm such a hypocrite sometimes. I have gone against my word and I bought another freaking Chanel item, but here's the thing. If you watched my wishlist video at the beginning of this year and then also my updated wishlist video, you will know that there is a bag from Chanel that I've been wanting for a few years. Well, okay, it's kind of like a crazy story, but I've been wanting it, then not wanting it, then wanting it, then not wanting it. Basically, the perfect one popped up in my Chanel store and I just decided to go for it. I actually asked you guys on Instagram about this bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know. But I asked you guys if you have heard or seen or experienced any quality issues with the specific bag, and I got a lot of mixed answers. A lot of people said yes, and I will tell you what those quality issues are that people have said that they've experienced. But then also a lot of people said no, that they have no quality issues and everything's been great. And my mom has this bag too, and she always says that she loves hers and she has had no problem. So I just decided to go for it. I figure that this bag has been around long enough that if there were any crazy quality issues, I would have already heard of it. So yeah, that is my excuse for buying this item. So I am going to unbox this and then I will talk to you guys about the price, about the quality issues. But first, let's get to the unboxing. If you guys watch my channel, you'll already know what this is because there's only one bag on my Chanel wish list that I haven't gotten yet. Obviously, I have opened this. I had to come home and inspect it after I picked it up from the store. So that's why the ribbon wasn't as pretty as when a sales associate actually wraps it up. All right, so here we go. I'm going to revel in this feeling of unboxing a Chanel item on my channel because I do really think that this might be like the last big one, even though I've said that before and then obviously this one happened. I think I'm gonna stick to my word this time, really, guys. Alright, so here is the bag. Yes, it is a bag. I don't know if I said that already. Alright, so last chances to leave your guesses down below, but I'm sure you guys already know what this is. So I have to reveal to you my new, oh, the felt is on there, my new Chanel 19 bag in the small size. Let me just remove this felt for you. So here is the bag, and let me tell you a little bit about my Chanel 19 saga or Chanel 19 hunt. So I originally hated this bag when it first came out. I thought it was just really ugly. I didn't like the large quilting. I really didn't like how like slouchy it was, but then I just kept seeing it, and then my mom bought one, and after I saw her using hers and how functional it was, I was like, okay, I like this bag. So then I decided to put it on my wish list, and I was on the hunt for it for a while. However, I hadn't really found the right color, so I ended up buying one, I think in 2020 or 2021 in the spring collection, and that one ended up being too lilac. I'm not sure how this one is showing in the camera. It might be a little bit washed out, but this one is not lilac at all. Even if it does look kind of similar on camera, I will insert some video or photos so that you can see the true color. Because of my video setup, everything is kind of washed out, so it's kind of hard to see the true color of really light bags sometimes. But yeah, so I basically ended up not keeping that one because it was just too lilac, even though I really love the size and everything. And then I was going to purchase one from the 22C collection in that baby pink that I have my round vanity case in. However, and that one was honestly like my most favorite perfect pink, but for some reason that year they decided to do the main hardware on this one and on the logo silver, even though they always do gold for the main hardware. So I just didn't like that. I saw it in person and was just like, that's not for me. So yes, when I saw that the 22B, yes, this is 22B. So when I saw that the 22B collection had this really beautiful pale pink that was like a true pink, I asked my essay at Chanel in Neiman Marcus if he could keep an eye out for me, and he said that they already had one that they sold, so most likely they won't get one. But then someone had bought this bag from another Neiman Marcus in like Texas or something, and they returned it to our store here in Denver, and my sales associate texted me right away saying, hey, we actually got one in store. Do you want it? And I was like, yes. So that is what happened, and that is why I now have one. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did post a reel about the last time I went Chanel shopping and kind of showed you like all the different pinks that they have right now. And I honestly really love this pink. It is lighter than all of my other pinks really in my collection. I mean, you can see in the background that I mostly do baby pinks, not pale pinks. I do have a few pale pink items. Actually, yeah, I really just have my Chanel Boy right here, and then also like my Alma Baby, which is like a pale pink, but for the most part I do generally like baby pink. So I thought that this would be a great addition to my collection because I just don't really have too many pale pink pieces. When you only like one color, there's only so much variety that you can do within that one color range, and especially me who only likes like specific shades of pink, it's very hard to like diversify in like just color. So this to me is diversity. I know, it's crazy. Let me actually show you the bag real quick, even though if you guys are a Chanel lover, you'll probably already, you know, seen this bag 1,000 times, but it looks like this in the front, and this one is made in lambskin. I know the earlier ones are made in goatskin, but I believe all of the later ones are made in lambskin. There is a pocket in the back, and it's like a giant pocket too. It's not just like that little Mona Lisa like back pocket, which I really appreciate because I can stick my phone and like my card case in here, and I love that functionality of it. And then when you open it on the inside, there is a pocket, and then also it's lined in fabric. Oh yeah, let me show you the code real quick so that you guys can see like the color code and everything if you want to purchase this bag as well. And here's this one on the back too. So as you guys may know, with the newer Chanel bags, I guess newer, it's been happening for a couple of years now, but they don't have an authenticity card anymore. They just have this like little well, my essay says that it's a microchip. Some people say that it's not microchipped. I don't actually know what the story is, but there is like that little plaque that has the like serial information on it. And this is actually my first bag that has, yeah, this is my first Chanel bag that has the little serial thing instead of the card, because my little round vanity case, I guess, was not considered a bag. It was considered an SLG, and the SLGs still come with authenticity cards. So yeah, this is my first one with like a microchip or whatever. So yeah, this is my new bag. What do you guys think? So let me talk about the quality issues real quick, because I did get a couple of people who have said that they have experienced quality issues. So the first thing is going to be with this chain right here. So some people have said that they're like they get little black marks from the chain rubbing against the leather, especially when the leather is a pale color or a light color. And I'm kind of worried about that as well, but I think when I store mine, I'm just going to store mine on the top like this, or put like that little piece of felt that came with it. I normally don't store my bags in any special way, but since people have said that that is an issue, I probably will store this specific bag like that so that doesn't happen. A lot of other people said that they've had problems with the lambskin. Not a lot, actually, just some people have said that they have problems with the lambskin, and it's specifically people who have light colored bags. All the people who told me that they had darker color bags like the black or like the caramel brown, all have said they've had zero quality issues. So it might just be, you know, the cons about having a light colored bag, but some people have said that they've experienced scratching and rubbing with the light colored bags, and also discoloration. So I mean, I have only light colored bags, so I know that that's always a factor when you do have light colored bags, and I feel like I keep mine in pretty good condition like all of my other really light colored bags, so I'm not really expecting this to be that severe of an issue for me, just because I'm used to it, but I will keep that in mind. I also did find somebody who on Instagram, I can't remember her username, but I will link her video down below, but she actually sprayed her entire 19 bag in lambskin with a waterproofing spray. So I might try that as well with this one. I'm super worried about it, but I figure I'll do like a test area on the strap first, and then if there's no like discoloration, I'll try to do it for the whole bag, just because this lambskin does feel a little bit more delicate than my other lambskin bag. So I never spray my bags or anything, but I'm considering doing that just because I saw that video and it was fine. And yeah, people have just said that they're a little bit worried about the lambskin on this one. So I'll let you guys know if I do that. I will probably film it if I do and let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, those are pretty much all of the quality issues I've discovered or that I've heard of that people told me about, is just the rubbing, the chain marks, and the scratches and stuff. So I'm not sure. That didn't really deter me from buying this bag because I feel like that's just kind of normal wear and tear. I don't super baby my bags though, so I'm a little bit worried about that. But like I said, I think I will spray it just to give it a little bit more protection. If you guys know of any other quality issues that I should be aware about or just keep an eye on about the Chanel 19 bag, please let me know in the comment section down below, just so that I can kind of just keep an eye on it in case, you know, something does happen. But yeah, other than that, I think that, I mean, my mom has had no issues with her bag, but of course hers is black, so that might be a little bit different. Oh, and let me talk to you about the price as well. So the price in store retail right now in the US is $5,700, and then after tax here in Colorado, it was $62. So pretty expensive, and I'm so upset that I didn't like jump on this bag earlier. Well, actually, I wouldn't have had a choice because they haven't really released a pink that I love. So yeah, it's just upsetting that I had to wait, you know, this long to get it with the price increases and everything, but I figure they're just going to keep going up, right? So there's really nothing that you can do about that. So yeah, that was it for my unboxing. What do you guys think of this bag? If you did watch my wish list video, you'll know that I was planning to buy the Valentino bag instead of this one. So that one is no longer on my wish list since I do have the Chanel one now. I was going to be perfectly fine with that one, but now that I have the real thing, I don't really need the Valentino dupe. Don't forget to check out my vlogs on Wednesday if you want to come hang out with me and the baby and see more of like my daily life. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a joke.